Your next car could be the 2023 Honda CR-V. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.